Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Gal, in case you're new here, and in today's video I am finally going to be filming my studio apartment tour. So I live in Dallas in a 550 square foot studio, and my style is very minimalist, so you will probably notice that. So I've been living here for a while now, and my apartment is not fully decorated, but I feel like if I haven't done it till now, then it will probably stay like this. And also, if I do more decorating, then I will update you in future videos. So I'm just gonna walk you through my apartment and show you everything, and hopefully this will give you some home decor inspo. And also, if you enjoy my videos, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. And let's get into my apartment tour. So as you can see, my style is very minimalist, and I was kind of going for a black and white kind of style. So over here is my sofa. This was inspired by the RH Cloud Couch. And I feel like this is one of the most inexpensive cloud couch dupes. I'm not sure about the quality. I haven't really tried other couches, but it was super inexpensive. This was only like $1,100. I wanted to get the L-shaped one, but it just wouldn't fit in my apartment. So if I end up moving to somewhere bigger, then I'll just like add more pieces to it. And yeah, and I think I got this from Home Threads. And by the way, I have everything here in my apartment linked in the description box below. So over here, I have this picture. I got the print, I think, from Etsy, and the frame from IKEA. I think this one is the Riba frame. I'm not sure. And over here, this lamp is also from IKEA, but I don't think they still sell this one. So coming over here, this coffee table is from CB2. And over here, I have a coffee table book. I got this off of Amazon. And these roses over here was kind of like a DIY project for me. I couldn't find one of these, so I just made one myself. I got the cylinder vase from Amazon, and I also ordered the white roses from Amazon. They come in a set of 25, so it was really easy. It took me like 5 minutes just to make this, and I feel like it turned out really cute. And over here I have this candle. This is from Urban Outfitters. And the white rug is also from Amazon. Over here is my TV stand. I got it from IKEA. And actually I got this a really long time ago, but I am going to switch it to a different one. I actually want to get the Besta one, but it's always out of stock. And also I don't know, because I don't know if I'm gonna move into a bigger apartment, and I don't know if I wanna get like the 2-door one or the 3-door. So I am totally going to change this. So it's just like still here because I haven't gone around to it. But anyways, these boxes are also from IKEA. And then I just have like a candle here. I don't know where this is from. I got it as a gift. And my TV. So this table is very similar to the one they have at IKEA, but the one at IKEA is too big for my apartment. Everything here needs to be very small for it to not like look crowded in my apartment. So I got this table off of Amazon, and I got the 2 chairs from IKEA. And I also got this vase and flowers from IKEA. And down here is my shaggy rug. I think I also got this off of Amazon, but anyways, I'm going to be linking everything I can down below in the description box. And over here, hi, this mirror is also from IKEA. I really like this mirror. It's really big. And over here is my kitchen. I actually don't really like the colors of this, but you know, I'm just working with what I got. And by the way, I haven't really finished, like I've been living here for a while and I haven't really finished like buying all my like apartment essentials, like dishes and stuff like that. So, and there's like a really big mess in here. So I'm just like not going to show you. And yeah, and maybe I'll make another video when I finish getting like all my apartment stuff. So yeah, so over here is my dish soap dispenser. I got this off of Amazon. And over here I have my electric kettle. I got this off of Amazon and I feel like this one is really cute. And over here I got my paper towel holder from Target. And I also got these kitchen towels from Target. And yeah, not much really here. So over here is my bedroom. I'm aware that I need to finish decorating, but this is what we got right now. So the bed is from Etsy. And I really love this bed. I think it's so cute. And over here, my bed sheets are from Target. So I have bed sheets from Target, and the duvet cover is also from Target. And I also have a duvet insert, which is from IKEA. So since it's summertime, I got the thinnest duvet insert, but it doesn't look the best. It looks so much better when the comforter is like very thick. But they have duvet inserts in IKEA in like so many different sizes and thickness. They have so many different types, but I just kind of wanted a really thin one for the summertime. By the way, I think they also have duvet inserts in Target. And over here, I have my little nightstand. This is the martini table from West Elm. I actually wanted a different one. It's similar. It's like a cement side table from CB2, but it was out of stock. So I got this one, which I also think is really cute. I have like a little candle here from IKEA. And yeah, so I'm totally aware that I need to finish decorating this. So I need to get some cute candles and like a little lamp to go on this. And also above my bed, I need to hang like some prints. Need to find some prints to hang on top. And yeah, super minimal. And over here is my clothing closet. It's kind of a mess, so nothing to see in here. And then over here is the entrance. Let's see, what should I start with? Okay, so over here is just my washer and dryer. There's nothing really to see here. It doesn't look really good. It's just like my washing machine, my dryer. I have like some filming stuff, my ring light, and here just like laundry detergent. And also here is just a box. I put all my mail and all the stuff I order in this box. I actually started doing this right when COVID started because I wanted to kind of like wait 2 days before I touch like stuff that I ordered. I don't know. I just guess I was trying to be extra cautious in the beginning of COVID. And I really like the idea of putting all my incoming mail and all the stuff I order just like in a box here. That way it's not laying around the house and just making my house look messy. Here I also made this one, just the same. This is the same one as the one I have in the living room. I ordered just the square vase and put the flowers in. Also, I think it came out really cute. And I also have a candle here. This one is from CB2. Yeah, it smells good. So yeah, I was kind of going for like also like a black and white kind of style. And this soap pump is also from CB2 and it's really inexpensive. Like it was, I think, only like $8, but I'm not sure. And over here, I have just a wastebasket. This is also from CB2, and a toilet cleaner holder, also from CB2. And yeah, so the towels are from Amazon, and the shower curtain is from IKEA. IKEA is so inexpensive, like I'm shocked. And also this one, this shower mat is also from IKEA. Feels kind of like a towel. And yeah, and I actually did a video here on my minimalistic makeup. So all my makeup is in here. And as you can see, I keep them in these plastic drawer organizers. They're really convenient. And I also got these off of Amazon. And what else? And here really, there's like really nothing to see. It just looks like a mess. So that's hidden in here. So that was my studio apartment tour. I hope this gave you some home decor ideas, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and I will see you in my next video.